Welcome to Metropulse Media. Today, we feature a trusted brand making a difference with quality products, excellent service, and customer satisfaction.
Mangalore today stands tall as a hub of medical excellence, a city that has grown leaps and bounds in healthcare, while never losing sight of ethics as an integral foundation. Joining this global march of progress is Yenapoya Super Speciality Hospital, Kodialbale, Mangalore, which has always remained at the forefront of innovation, introducing world-class facilities at the most affordable cost. Over the past 25 years, the orthopedic department here has achieved phenomenal growth, recording many firsts not only in the state and nation, but also at the global level.
Now talking about our orthopedic journey, we have been associated with Dr. Deepak Rai for last 25 years. We were one of the first centers to start joint replacement surgeries way back in 2000, and we moved on to navigation surgery, which is a much more precise job, in 2016, and then moved on to robotic surgeries in 2023. Now today we are talking about upgrading our robotic unit. That's in 2025. Just in this last 2 years, we have done more than 475 joint replacement robotic surgeries.
This vision has been made possible by the constant encouragement and initiative of Chancellor and Chairman, Dr. Yenapoya Abdullah Kunhi, whose mission is clear: every patient must receive the very best, without the burden of unaffordable treatment. At the heart of this journey is Dr. Deepak K. Rai, who heads the orthopedic department with unmatched dedication and hard work. His milestones and achievements have set new benchmarks, making Yenapoya a name synonymous with orthopedic excellence. Taking this legacy further, Yenapoya Super Speciality Hospital has introduced, for the first time in South Asia, the revolutionary SkyWalker Robotic Knee System with medial pivot knee technology. This groundbreaking advancement has transformed knee replacement surgery, offering precision to the finest millimeter, faster recovery, and outcomes that provide patients with a near-natural feel. With just 4 days of hospitalization and a 10-day recovery period, this innovation marks a giant leap in orthopedic care, destined to change lives across Dakshina Kannada and beyond. The press meet on September 9, 2025 was addressed by Dr. Deepak K. Rai, Senior Orthopedic Surgeon, Medical Director Dr. Mohammed Tahir of Yenapoya Speciality Hospital, and Mr. Mukesh Parmar from Microport Orthopedics. A grand event was held at Vivanta Star Hotel, Old Port Road, on Sunday, September 14, 2025 at 11 a.m., to mark the launch of the SkyWalker robotic machine for knee replacement, in amalgamation with the medial pivot knee system. The distinguished gathering included Chancellor and Chairman Dr. Yenapoya Abdullah Kunhi, Vice Chancellor Dr. M. Vijaya Kumar, Muhammad Farhad Yenapoya Pro-Chancellor, Ramachandra Shetty, one of the main pillars of the group, Dr. Deepak K. Rai, Senior Orthopedic Surgeon, Dr. P. Suryanarayan, SIMS Hospital, Chennai, and Guest of Honor, Rohan Bopanna, renowned international tennis player, chief guest of the event, and Dr. Mohammed Tahir, Medical Director, Yenapoya Speciality Hospital. The event also had renowned Dr. Shantram Shetty as special guest and others from Marketing Department of Yenapoya Speciality Hospital. The event began with a warm welcome by Dr. Mohammed Tahir.
Which goes to say how the general public has accepted this technological improvement, advancement.
This was followed by a detailed technical presentation from Dr. Mukesh Parmar of the SkyWalker company.
But Microport has 12 business verticals, and Microport Orthopedics is the US headquartered organization within that. Around the 12 businesses of Microport, we have products around interventional cardiology, orthopedics of course, we have neurovascular, we have surgical robotics, we have IVF, endocrine, and so on and so forth.
Dr. Deepak K. Rai spoke about how robotic advancements have made their way into the Yenapoya Hospital Group and especially orthopedic department, and expressed his gratitude to everyone who made it possible.
Decades ahead, under his dynamic leadership, this institution has expanded its horizons, adopting cutting-edge technology, medical practices, while never compromising on its core values of service and humanity.
The official launch of the SkyWalker unit was then carried out, accompanied by inspiring words from chief guest Rohan Bopanna.
I did that about for 4 or 5 years. And at the age of 19, I didn't know how to ride a bike, but I had had enough of that bicycle, and I forced my dad to get me a motorcycle. And this journey, of course, not knowing that I would reach the world #1 ranking, at that point of time.
And an address by the guest of honor, Dr. P. Suryanarayan.
That was the time, 20 years ago, which was the first time I think I came to Mangalore. We performed some procedures. The Indian arthroplasty meeting was held in Mangalore. So it brings back certainly a lot of memories.
The event concluded with a heartfelt vote of thanks delivered by Chancellor and Chairman Dr. Yenapoya Abdullah
We are
Kunhi.
honored and thankful to you.
This milestone marks a significant feather in the cap for Yenapoya Specialty Hospital, as it becomes the first in Southeast Asia to introduce the SkyWalker robotic knee replacement machine with medial pivot knee replacement facility, a true leap forward in advanced orthopedic care.
For more information, contact the business directly. Follow Metropulse Media for more business features, success stories, and local updates.